In this video, I'll show you how to add the shake to reveal effect on your Instagram story. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. This effect is a fun way to interact with your followers, so let's get started. First, open Instagram and tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. From there, select Story. Now, you can either take a new photo or create a custom one by tapping the Create button. Alternatively, choose a photo from your gallery. I'll select one from mine. To apply the shake to reveal effect, tap the stickers icon at the top of the screen. Look for the frames option, and once you find it, choose the image you'd like to reveal in your story. You can add a caption as well if desired. When you're ready, hit done. You'll now see the shake to reveal effect on your story. When you shake your phone, the hidden image will appear. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips.